Good morning, everybody. The day is Monday. It is the 24th of April. Started out as a fantastic day. Woke up this morning, hopped in the car after I got ready, going to work. You know, love my job at Speedhaus. And what happens? Well, I'll show you what happened. Nothing too crazy. We're just on the side of the road on, like, I don't know what road this is, 76 or something, between Blanchard and Newcastle. Here we are, broke down. The BMW decided to take a crap. What I think has happened is the low side fuel pump has gone night-night. Now, this pump is not even my pump. It came out of Matt's car while we were trying to solve an issue. So I have my original pump at the house. So I've called a family friend, called a family member actually, to come bring me a fuel pump and some tools to get this fuel pump changed. Hopefully it all works out well. I hope that's the problem. But another day in the life of driving a BMW, no matter how well your day is going, something is going to cause it not to go well. So hopefully that's the only issue. Based off the codes I'm reading, it's showing low pressure fuel pump codes, and I'm showing no pressure off of MHD. When I look at like the actual little gauges, it shows that I have like 18 PSI back there, which I need 70 to run the car. So hopefully he gets here soon. We're gonna find out. All right, Highway Patrol just stopped by. Newcastle Police has actually already been by. Oklahoma HP's been by now. You know, I've had great luck so far with all the police forces like stopping and checking on me. Like, everybody's been super nice. Newcastle Police is actually who helped me push this off the road. OHP was super nice. There's actually a truck behind me broke down. He broke down after me. So I don't know what's going on with him. I guess I could go ask, but I'm not going to be able to help them, I'm sure. OHP asked. I'm not going back there. Okay, you know, I was getting ready to get out to go see if these guys needed help. Now another officer has just rolled in. So I'm choosing not to go over there. If I had somebody bringing me all these tools to help somebody out, I would. Now they're blocking. Okay. Y'all are getting this first person view, whatever this is called. Now blocking off the road, whatever that means. You know what? Maybe I'll go investigate. All right, guys. My grandpa has finally made it. He was the only person just not working today, so.
We're minutes today, tomorrow at this time.
Well, I got lucky today. His BMW's working. My BMW's not working so much. So I guess we're gonna try to get this fixed and get this thing off the side of the road. Okay, so I got the fuel pump in, the car won't start, and the car is now showing that it has no fuel in it. It had at least a quarter tank. It had a quarter tank when it died. And it's showing it's completely empty now. Now, when I had the pump out a second ago, there was no fuel on that side of the car. So I figure what has happened, because we're on a slope, all the fuel is on this side of the car. But I would think it'd be picking up, going into that side. Don't know what's going on. I don't know if it can't prime itself. So I guess now we're going to attempt to go get a gas can, because we didn't bring any. We have 10 at the house, and try to do something getting some more fuel in here. Just ain't that a crapshoot. So I guess we're gonna find out. So for some reason the car's got no gas in it. I didn't run out of gas, unless the float stuck for some weird reason. I actually ran out of gas. So now we are putting gas in the car. So hopefully it freaking starts now. Completely confused. The float stuck open. I'd be really mad. I just flat out ran out of gas. But so now there's a fuel pump in the car, putting gas in the car, so it should start. If it doesn't, I have a very, very bad leak somewhere. All right, so I have two theories on what's happened because we have the car running. Either A, the fuel pump went out, and then once I got on the slope, it couldn't pick up any more fuel. And so that's why I was getting a good start after the fuel pump. And then B, I was reading that I had fuel and maybe the float stuck, and so I actually had no fuel and actually ran out of gas. So kind of pumping it, we got fuel in it. The car took it a second after we got the fuel system primed. It's now started and time to go to work. Shout out to my grandfather, not doing anything today, coming to help. Running a little late to work, but the car is going now. So, here we go. Alright, final update on the car. I'm now driving to work. So, the gas gauge is not going past the quarter tank right now. So, I'm thinking my second theory was correct. I believe the float actually ended up sticking, and I just flat out ran out of gas, and the fuel pump was completely fine. Well, I've now changed fuel pumps and this and that and put gas in it, and now we're driving. So I guess the problem is solved, but it sucks that it simply was me running out of gas. I try not to let the car go past the quarter tank. I was planning on filling up once I got to work or got close to work. Didn't make it that far. We're out of gas. So if you have fuel cut out and your fuel pump doesn't work, maybe you're just out of gas. Put some gas in it. It might fix your issue. So the problem solved. It's been a long morning, but off to work. Now I will say shout out to like Newcastle police. They stopped like 3 or 4 times, 3 different officers checking on us. I thought that was amazing. One guy was an older gentleman. He's been on the force for 24 years. He knew a lot about fueling. He's got a ZL1 Camaro, and he was telling me all about it. He's telling me about how it's on flex fuel, super nice guy. So we told him we run it on E85, and I was like, yeah, it's on flex fuel, so I just need to go get some fuel in it. Super helpful dude. He couldn't really do much, but he was going to help if he needed to. Super nice guy. So shout out to Newcastle Police. They're the crap right there, man. So I'm going back to work, and hopefully we can get some stuff done today. But car's fixed.